Everyone. Here today we are at Gloucester Practical Test Center. Here we're gonna show you the different routes which you may have your exam routes when you drive with the examiner. So these routes are very useful when you watch today and stay with us. You will learn a lot. It's not only the routes we are going to show you. We are going to show you how you have to drive according to rule regulations, which duties you may have on different routes, and then you can go and pass the test. So stay with us. So I hope this video will helpful and useful for you to go through the test. So here we go. Hi again. Here we start our route number 1 today. Right after checking your documents and you'll be asked 3 technical questions. Right thereafter you drive with the examiner. Here you have to drive out. We take left. Here we stay right and we find out about the absolute give duty, and we have to look both right and left. Here we take left. The view is not clear, so be careful here. Pay attention both right and left side. If you have a traffic, so you have to give way. Here we continue and look after the speed limit on the roads, speed bumps, speed breakers. So drive the speed limit as according to circumstances, speed limits. So here we continue according to the speed bumps, and you may not drive less, you may not drive more, but of course it is recommended speed limit, so it is 40. So we drive here and we continue straight ahead. Drive always straight ahead unless you are asked to turn right or left in a good time. Here is the end of 40 speed limit, so you have to find out if you turn right or left, but we're gonna continue straight ahead. So you have to look the new speed limit on new road maybe as well. Here you can see a new signboard again. It's 40. It's recommended speed 40. Pay attention to the parked vehicle to the right side. Keep a good distance. If you have oncoming traffic, so it's you have to give them way. When you approach near the speed bumps, so slow down. The coming traffic light, we take left. When we move out, so we have to orientate to the direction we are moving out, and when we come back to the right, so we have to orientate to the right back again. It was container or other hurdles, obstacles on your side road, so you have to give way to the oncoming traffic, or you have to orientate while moving in and out. Here you got obstacle hurdles in front of you, so have a look to the left side while taking out. Here we turn left to traffic light. Come back to your own track. Here look after the signal and stop for the red. Have a look and orientate. Here we follow the course of the road. In case you have to continue straight ahead, so then you will be not informed anything, so still you have to continue and follow the course of the road to the bends, turning where it goes, yeah, and continue with the reasonable speed limit. And here you gotta pass, and here we take out and we orientate to the left, and when you come back, so you have to orientate to the right back again. Here we follow the course of the roads. It means where the road is turning to the right. Here we follow the course of the roads. Here comes a roundabout, so we take first exit. First exit. Before you enter, you have to orientation, mirror shoulder, and take the first exit. Already indicate right now because we are taking the first exit. Orientation before entering and before exiting, new orientation again, mirror shoulder, and we continue. And it is recommended speed on the road, it is 30, and we continue and pay attention to the duties on the road. And when you approach the coming side road, so then you have to pay attention, and you got absolute give way duty signboard. Here you have to stop and give way. There is oncoming traffic. Now right after the vehicle passed, so then we pay attention to the right. There is no one, so we continue, and second traffic light we take left. When you continue straight ahead, so right after the first traffic lights, there are two tracks turning in the same direction to the left side. So if you have to turn left, so always find out the right track and then orientate. When you change your position to the right track, come in the right track, and you can see there is a marking on the road. You may turn right and left, orientate when you come here to the right side, and we are turning left now. We are turning left, and marking on the road shows that you may turn both right and left while staying in the same track to the right. So here we continue while turning. We choose the right track, and we stay and keep the right side all the way while turning to the left. Stay more right and continue and have a look while turning. We speed up and we continue. Here we continue straight ahead. Second traffic light as right, we turn left. Here we can see, we pay attention to the marking on the road, and it means we got rule of merge, orientate to the left behind and continue. Second traffic light we take left. We continue. Here we take left. Here we turn left and pay attention to oncoming traffic. Sometimes there are vehicles turning to the left side, and if your view is taken by the turning vehicles to the left side, so then you have to stay and wait for them. Here we take the first exit in roundabout. First exit. So here we orientate, have a look behind to the right, and pay attention again. We already indicated we are taking the first exit. Orientation again. Look after the bikes, look after the pedestrians. no one there, so continue straight ahead. Second traffic light, right. Take right to second traffic light. We turn right, and soon after right turning, we turn right again. The side road to the right. Have a look, orientate, look after bikes, look after pedestrian. Here we turn right. The side road here to the right. We look after the pedestrian, so we stop. Orientation, we are turning right, and sharp turn. Right turn should be the sharp one. Continue and follow the course of the road. It means we have to follow road continuing to the left side. We stay right. There may be oncoming traffic as well. We pay attention and continue and here you can see we got right hand giveaway duty. Stay right and not more than 10. So look after if there is a traffic from right side, so give way because you got right hand giveaway duty. So here was the right hand giveaway duty. When we continue, at the end of the road we turn right, then left. It's compulsory direction, so you may only turn right, and later on we turn left. You may come on footpath here, but not on bike lane. Stay on the right side, left side, because we are taking left. It was told already we are taking left later on, so we come and stay on left side. Here we turn left. Orientation, it's lane change. Have a look. We enter in the intersection because the signal is still green, and we got mirror lights, and we stop and wait for the oncoming traffic. If the view has been taken by oncoming traffic, we don't drive. So now it's free, and we turn left by looking by orientation. We continue, look after the speed limit. It is 40 zone, and we drive max 40 km/h. When you approach near the speed bump, slow down. May not drive then more than 40. Course of the roads. Stay in your lane. The coming traffic light, we take left. Speed bump, slow down, pay attention. Pedestrians crossing, look after pedestrians. There's no one, we continue. Again we got another pedestrian zone, so we keep going. If it's free, we take left. Traffic light, we take left. We are turning left, so look after the the signboard in case the signal is out of order. The first priority goes to the traffic light. Traffic light is working, so we look after the red lights there, so we stay here, we stop before the stop line. Look after oncoming bikes, pedestrians, traffic. We stay to the right. Look after your speed limit, and the speed limit is 50. We are in built-up area. Second traffic light, we take left. Second traffic light, we turn left. So already you can find out the possibilities if it's possible. So do lane change by looking, orientation, mirror soldier, and come to the left lane because we are taking left. Have a look again. We are turning into turning track, so orientation. Here you got a red lights in form of a red arrow. Now if it changes to green arrows, it means all others got red, so then you have to continue. We turn left and have a look while turning left. So stay right. There are two tracks. We stay on the right side. Second traffic light, we take right. Second traffic light, we turn right. Second one, we turn right. Not now, but second one. First traffic light, we turn right. Straight ahead, we continue straight ahead. We are not turning right now. Second traffic light, we take right. Second one. We turn right, then left. Second time left. So when you are asked to turn right and then left, it means you have to find out already now, and your position should be to the left side, second track. have a look, orientate, and then come to the left lane, pay attention to the pedestrian, and we stay in the left lane, and then we turn to the left. Rule of merge, have a look, orientation, mirror shoulder, and we come in the turning track. These are two tracks, so we stay in the right one because we are turning only once left. Pay attention to the signal, and then it's a green arrow. We stay on the right sides. These are two tracks, stay to the right and continue straight ahead. Here we need to do lane change because we are going to continue straight ahead, and this track is becoming only a turning track, orientation, and we come back to the left track and then straight ahead. If you have chosen the right track, so then you only may turn right because we can see the signboard, we can see the marking on the road. It's not allowed, just like the front car. So we continue straight ahead. We come back by looking, orientation, it's lane change, and we continue look after the speed limit, and then continue on the new road. Here we got another signboard of 60 speed limit, so we drive 60 now, and the coming traffic light we take left. The coming traffic light we turn left. Orientation, and we do lane change to the left, and coming traffic light left. Orientation, pay attention to oncoming traffic, pedestrians, and orientate and turn left. The coming traffic light, we turn left. We take left. Orientation before changing lane to the left. Indicates. Have a look. Stop for the red. Stop before the stop line. We enter in the intersection, look after oncoming traffic, bikes, pedestrians, and look to the left and continue. The coming side road, we turn right. We turn right. Here we turn right. Look after the bikes behind you are right, orientation, and here look after the speed limit 40, and here we stop near after the side road, and here we do reverse around the corner. So 10 meters away and 30 centimeters away from the curve, here we stop, and here we do a reverse around the corner. Here we can see we have to orientate before we start doing this maneuver. Pay attention and look after the curb and orientation when you take it out very slowly, and continue orientation all the time before, meanwhile, after, and when you land on the new road, so turn 1.5 to the left side and straighten the tires to the left side and drive 10 meter, and continue 10 meter and 30 centimeter away from the curve, and continue right after the 10 meters. So maybe you have to stop self if examiner don't interrupt you. It's very important you don't you don't hit the curb, and you don't forget the orientation. And when you start driving again, set off, so orientation again and indicate, and in this case we turn right, so orientation and indicator, orientation again while turning, and then we continue. And if you stop near the blue car, so then let's do parallel parking. So we do parallel parking. Before we stop, we have to look behind us, orientate, and indicate to the right, and 1 meter's distance from the parked vehicle, stay away from it, and orientation, mirror shoulder, and then we turn right. Yeah, pay attention to the curb, and then we turn complete left. Orientation when the car moves out, and when you come back, so we stop here and we straighten the tires again. We stop now. So orientation before, meanwhile, after, and when you have completed this maneuver, so then you have to orientate again and remember to indicate before you set off again. Have a look, orientation, and then we start driving again. Speed bumps, slow down by acceleration, let the motor brake when you slow down by releasing the accelerator. End of 40, we follow the course of the road. We follow the course of the road. We take rights, traffic light, we take rights. Orientation while turning, look after bikes, pedestrian, and continue. Pay attention to traffic lights. The next traffic light, we turn left. We take left, it's lane change, have a look to the left back, and we turn left. We enter in the intersection and pay attention to oncoming traffic, and we keep looking the signal. It may change to green arrow. If it changes to green arrow, so then you all others got red, so then you have to carry on. Have a look, orientate, and stay right, and continue straight ahead. Look after new signboard, new speed limit. It is 70, and drive your speed limit 70. The side road to the right. The coming side road, we turn right. Here we turn right. Have a look. Now we do lane change, orientation, right behind, slow down, gear down, have a look, and we take left again. We turn left. Have a look, stay to the left side. You got absolute giveaway duty. Look right and left behind, and left to the back side. Continue. Look after the speed limit. We got 40 zone, and we continue. Speed break, speed bumps. Slow down. Look after the speed limit, speed bumps. It is still 40 zone. We take out, we have to look. We come back, orientation again. We take out, orientation, and we stay to the left side until it is continually obstacles, parked vehicles to the right side. We maintain our speeds. We keep a good distance. We take out to the left, have a look behind left. We come back to the right side, orientation, right behind. Look after the pedestrian. Here we have to continue. Don't be confused here. Bikes, they got absolute give-way duty, so don't worry about them. So look after the course of the road. Here we drive inside the gate towards left side. If you have oncoming traffic, have a patience and stop here. Wait for a bike the coming front and have a look, orientation. Stay to the right side and continue right side. And we are back to our starting point. We are back to the test center again. So we continue. Pay attention to the traffic. Could be the traffic, more vehicles during daytime. So we continue and we come back, and where we can find the parking lots there, the blue plates anywhere in the parking lot. So just come and continue straight ahead and park in the parking lots, ready to stop there and brake, a clutch down and soft brake in a good time and stop. And here neutral gear, handbrake up and turn the engine off. So here the examiner will declare your result, how it was, in case it was good, as we have discussed, and you find everything. So here we come back at Gloucester Test Center. Here we did today the different type of duties. Here it was right hand give-way duty, absolute give-way duty, speed limit, speed bumps, course of the road, roundabouts, and other maneuver. We did parallel parking. We did reverse around the corner. Here you can see right after watching this video, you will find it useful when you practice with your instructor. So don't hesitate to contact us if you have any query, if you have any question regarding driving license packages. We offer different type of packages, so contact us. You can find us on our website unique-drive.dk. You can contact us. You can call to us. Our telephone number is 40875740. We hope this video will help you to go through the test. Keep watching and keep following us, our videos, like our videos, and we are going to upload more test routes in Gloucester Test Center areas, and later on you can also find us routes near Castor, Amos Conway areas. So keep watching us. Thanks for right now. Thanks.